April, everybody. We hope your month has been amazing. For us here at MAS, we've really had 3 core focuses this past month. Number 1 is pumping out every single week a brand new podcast that you can get for free to learn how to build your health with exercise. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Exercise is Health podcast wherever you listen. Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher. It does not matter. Head to exerciseshealthpodcast.com to subscribe on your platform of choice.
The other thing we've been working on is preparing for the May One Workout Away Challenge. If you're unfamiliar with this challenge, it is a 28-day challenge run through a private Facebook group that includes potent podcasts, daily movement assignments that are super easy to do, live workouts twice a week, and a bonus workout once a week. So 3 workouts a week that are so easy to do right in your living room or basement or whatever space you have available. And our next challenge is actually going to be entitled Core and Cardio to prepare you for the summer months. It is going to be starting on Sunday, May 1st. So please go to owa.matschaumburg.com to get signed up for the May 1st start date.
And the final thing that we've been spending a lot of time on this past month is the Exercise for Life Secrets training. This is a free training that we do every single week to teach you the 3 things that you need to know in order to be able to effectively exercise for life. If you have not seen this training already, you can get registered for free simply by going to secrets.exerciseforlifemethod.com.
And now it's time for me to give Charlie the rapid fire questions, and I've got a good one. Okay, Charlie, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, what are your top 3 favorite things about springtime that are unique to spring and not fall?
So my top 3, number 1 is the grass is greener, the sky feels bluer, looks bluer. Number 2, I love the how everything starts to bloom in the springtime, and you can just see that things are coming back to life. And number 3, I love that first day when you walk outside and it's just like, oh, I think we are through the depth of winter, and like it feels warm, it feels nice, it feels relaxing, it feels like spring. Those are my top 3 things that I love about spring. They're unique to spring and not to fall.
Nice!
What are your top 3 things? Send us a message back to let us know, or drop a comment below. We would love to find out. Have a great rest of your April. Have a fantastic May. Make sure to sign up for the OWA Challenge, which starts on Sunday, and we'll talk with you all at the end of the next month. See ya!